In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a perfect circle in Adobe Illustrator the right way. If you've ever tried drawing a circle and ended up with an oval that just looks slightly off, don't worry, you're not alone. Illustrator makes it incredibly easy to create a mathematically perfect circle. And once you know the shortcut, you'll never struggle with uneven shapes again. Whether you're designing logos, icons, social media graphics, or vector illustrations, mastering this simple technique is essential. Make sure to stick around until the end for a couple of extra tips that will make your workflow even faster. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy Illustrator tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open Adobe Illustrator and create a new document or open any existing project you're working on. To make a perfect circle, we'll be using the Ellipse tool. You can find it in the toolbar on the left side of your screen. If you don't immediately see it, look for the Shape tool icon. It may be showing as a rectangle by default. Click and hold on that icon, and you'll see a fly-out menu where you can select the Ellipse tool. The keyboard shortcut for this tool is the letter L, which is much faster once you get used to it. Simply press L on your keyboard to activate it instantly. Now that the Ellipse tool is selected, move your cursor over to your artboard. To create a shape, click and drag anywhere on the canvas. If you just click and drag freely, you'll notice that Illustrator creates an ellipse, which means the width and height can be different. This is useful in some cases, but if you want a perfect circle, we need to constrain the proportions. Here's the key step. While you are clicking and dragging on the artboard, hold down the Shift key on your keyboard. Keep holding Shift as you drag. You'll immediately notice that the shape locks into perfect proportions, meaning the width and height stay equal. This guarantees that your shape is a perfect circle instead of an oval. Once you're happy with the size, release your mouse first, and then release the Shift key. That's it. You've created a perfect circle. If the circle isn't positioned exactly where you want it, you can switch to the Selection tool by pressing V on your keyboard, then click and drag to move it into place. You can also resize the circle after creating it. Just click on one of the corner handles of the bounding box and hold Shift again while resizing to maintain the perfect circular proportions. If you don't hold Shift while resizing, you might accidentally stretch it into an oval. Here's a bonus tip. If you want to create a perfect circle starting from the center point instead of the corner, hold Alt on Windows or Option on Mac while dragging and combine that with Shift. So you would hold Shift plus Alt or Option together while dragging. This creates a perfect circle that expands evenly outward from your starting point. This is especially useful when designing logos or symmetrical layouts. Another quick method is to simply click once on the artboard with the Ellipse tool instead of dragging. A dialog box will appear where you can manually enter an exact width and height. To make a perfect circle using this method, just enter the same value for both width and height, for example 500 pixels by 500 pixels, and click OK. Illustrator will generate a perfectly precise circle for you. As you can see, making a perfect circle in Illustrator is incredibly simple once you know to use the Shift key. Small shortcuts like this can dramatically speed up your workflow and improve the accuracy of your designs. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more Illustrator tips and tricks. I post simple, easy-to-follow guides that help you design faster and more confidently. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.